Hey guys, Chris from Cable Bullet here, and today I'd like to give you a rough idea of what your project will cost for a horizontal cable railing system. Horizontal cable railing can be a little bit trickier to estimate due to a number of factors. To keep things simple, we'll make a few assumptions to get these numbers. First, we'll assume that this is a standard 12-foot by 24-foot deck with a 36-inch high railing. We'll also be assuming that your post spacing is 6 feet on average with our spacer bar kits in between for cable deflection. These assumptions don't include the cost of your installation tools. When using our wood post tensioning system, we estimate a cost of $40 to $50 per linear foot. Now, we don't sell wood posts, so the cost of those aren't reflected in this number. For our aluminum Signature Series line, the cost jumps to around $85 to $90 per linear foot. These estimates include both our posts and matching aluminum handrail. And finally, our stainless steel Venture Series line will run you somewhere around $170 to $180 per linear foot. Now I do want to mention that the cost of each of these can vary widely depending on a number of factors, like how long your spans are, how many cable runs you have, how many corners are in your design, and whether or not you're using your own custom handrail. Thanks for watching. If you want a free estimate specifically for your project, or a free sample, go to cablebullet.com to get that process started.